How how you ever have you ever wondered why software updates are released so quickly on apps like Amazon, Netflix, or Spotify? The secret is DevOps and cloud computing. Today, engineers are no longer limited to manual or automation testing. Companies expect them to understand cloud platforms and DevOps pipelines. In this video, we will learn how the AWS certified DevOps engineer certification help QA professionals build a successful career in cloud QA. Let's get started. What is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is one of the most it is the one of the world's most popular cloud computing platform. Instead of buying companies physical servers, companies use AWS to host applications, databases, storage, and testing environments. This makes applications scalable, reliable, and cost effective. What is DevOps? DevOps is a culture and a set of practices that bring together development, testing, and operations. The goal is to deliver software faster, more reliably, with fewer defects. QA plays an important role by ensuring automated tests run successfully before software reaches customers. What is cloud computing QA integration? Cloud QA integration means integrating testing into cloud based DevOps pipelines. Instead of running tests only on a local machine, automated test runs in the cloud. Whenever new code is committed, this provides faster feedback, a consistent test execution, better collaboration, quicker software releases. Why should QA engineers learn AWS? Learning AWS helps QA engineers understand cloud environments, create test environments quickly, execute automation tests in the cloud, support continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD. Deployment confidence. These skills are highly valued in modern software companies. AWS services useful for QA. Let's look at some AWS services every QA professional should know. First, Amazon EC2. EC2 provides virtual machines in the cloud. QA teams use them to set up test environments, execute automation suites, perform performance testing. Amazon S3. S3 is cloud storage. It is commonly used to store test reports, automation logs, screenshots, build artifacts. Third, AWS code pipeline. Code pipeline automates the software release process. Whenever developers commit code, the application is built, automated tests run, results are generated, deployment continues only if tests pass. Fourth, AWS code build. Code build compiles the application and executes automated test suites without requiring dedicated build servers. Fifth, Amazon CloudWatch. CloudWatch monitors applications and cloud resources. Teams use it to view logs, detect failures, monitor application performance, identify system issues quickly. CI/CD pipeline example. Imagine a imagine a developer fixes a bug and pushes the uh, code to Git automatically. Code is uploaded. AWS code pipeline uh, starts code code builds the application. Selenium or Playwright automation tests runs. Test reports are generated if all tests passes the application is deployed. This entire process can happen with minimal manual effort. Benefits for QA professionals. Learning AWS and DevOps enables QA engineers to uh, build cloud based testing environments, execute automated testing faster, improve collaboration with developers, reduce release time, detect defects earlier, deliver higher quality software. Real life scenario. Imagine you are working on online banking application. Every day developers make changes to the code. Instead of waiting for manual testing, code is committed to Git. AWS code pipeline automatically starts. Automation tests validate login, money transfer, and account balance. If every test passes, the application moves to the next deployment stage. This allows the bank to release updates faster while maintaining quality. Interview question. Why should a QA engineer learn AWS? AWS helps QA engineers create cloud based test environments, integrate automated testing into CI/CD pipelines, execute tests efficiently, monitor applications, and support faster, high quality software releases. Key takeaways. AWS is a leading cloud platform used by organizations worldwide. DevOps combines development, testing, and operations to deliver software faster. Cloud QA integrates automated testing uh, into cloud-based CI/CD pipelines. Services like EC2, S3, Code Pipeline, Code Build, and CloudWatch are valuable for QA professionals. Learning AWS makes QA engineers more versatile and better prepared for modern software development environments. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Manual Testing Hub.